Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong araw na ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Secret for Elimination of Rampant Poverty Worldwide Corporation or SERP Worldwide. So ito po, basahin na po natin yung nakapaloob po sa advisory ng SEC laban po sa SERP Worldwide. The Commission has received information that individuals or group of persons representing Secret for Elimination of Rampant Poverty Worldwide Corporation or SERP Worldwide are allegedly enticing the public to invest their money in said entity. As advertised on social media, SERP Worldwide's mission is to promote and eliminate poverty in every community in the country and throughout the world. So, basahin naman natin yung nakuwang impormasyon ng SEC tungkol nga sa pangakong kitaan o komplan ng SERP Worldwide. Based on the information gathered, a prospective investor should pay an amount of 10,000 pesos to avail the package and become a member. Upon availing the said package, a prospective investor can now enjoy the 8 ways of earning. So ano ba daw yung 8 ways of earning dyan sa SERP Worldwide? So una daw, yung direct selling, yung prospective investor daw ay pwede daw kumita ng 30 to 60% retail profit in all products of SERP Worldwide. Tapos meron din daw direct sales bonus na for every package daw that a member's prospect will avail, the said member will earn 500 pesos. The more package daw that the prospect will avail, the more income for the recruiter. At syempre, dyan sa mga networking ay meron yung mga pairing bonus. So, yung pangatlo ay yung pairing sales bonus. The company is operating as binary system. For every pair, a member will earn 1,000 pesos. Pang-apat is yung reorder rebates. This is based on the personal or group points through buying of products. So, per every product that a member will buy has a corresponding point. At pang-lima, yung unilevel sales bonus. A member can earn up to 30 pesos for all the products that his or her direct downline bought. Pang-anim ay yung daily profit share. The company will give a member 50 pesos per day as a share on the profit of the company. Pang-pito yung overriding commission. The company will give a member up to 10% commission on his or her direct downline daily profit share. At panghuli yung royalty income, a member will earn royalty income after 15 years. So yan daw yung mga ways to earn doon nga sa SERP Worldwide. Pero ang nakakapagduda nga ay yung daily profit share na 50 pesos per day. So saan kukunin yan ng kumpanya? Yung guaranteed na 50 pesos per day. Pati na rin yung royalty income. Ang tanong kasi, malakas ba yung SERP Worldwide na makakapagbigay sila ng royalty income after 15 years? Lalo na maraming competition dyan sa networking. Napakaraming mga networking companies. So paano sila makakapagbigay ng royalty income do sa kanilang mga members after 15 years? The public is hereby advised to exercise due care and caution in investing their money in this type of scheme being offered by SERP Worldwide and or its agents. In the instant case, the scheme of SERP Worldwide has the characteristics of a pyramid scheme. The pyramiding scheme involves securities because for payment of a sum of money, often nominal, the investor participates in a recruitment scheme that promises a stream of profits. The scheme that requires recruitment in a two-pronged structure takes the form of a pyramid, one that grows wider at the bottom and thrives with the supply of new recruits to the scheme. Here, the recruitment fees collected from new recruits are used to pay the recruiting commissions to earlier recruits. As the scheme of SERP Worldwide involves the sale of securities to the public, the SRC requires that the issuing entity must be a registered corporation with the SEC, the said securities offered are duly registered, and that the appropriate license and or permit to offer and sell securities to the public are issued to the corporation and or its agents pursuant to the provisions of sections 8 and 28 of the SRC. Records of the Commission show that while Secret for Elimination of Rampant Poverty Worldwide Corporation is registered with the Commission as a corporation, it is not authorized to solicit investments from the public as it did not secure prior registration and or license to solicit investments from the public as prescribed under Section 8 and 28 of the SRC. Further, the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act also prohibits investment fraud, which is defined under the law as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public, which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contribution made by the investors themselves and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. Ito po babala po para sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers or agents, representatives, promoters, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of Secret for Elimination of Rampant Poverty Worldwide Corporation o SERP Worldwide in soliciting or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet, may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC for the two offenses, both penalized with separate maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years, or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. At yung mga pangalan nga ng mga involved dyan sa SERP Worldwide ay ire-report po ng SEC sa Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR para nga sa kulang mga penalties at buwis na dapat bayaran. Pinalalahanan nga ng SEC ang publiko na wag nang mag-invest at tumigil na sa pag-invest sa kahit na anong investment scheme na ino-offer ng kahit na sino individual o grupo ng mga individual allegedly for or on behalf of Secret for Elimination of Rampant Poverty Worldwide Corporation or SERP Worldwide, and to exercise caution in dealing with any individuals or group of persons soliciting investments for and on behalf of it. Kung kayo po ay may impormasyon tungkol nga sa operasyon ng SERP Worldwide o kayo ay merong complaint laban nga dyan sa SERP Worldwide, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa pamamagitan ng email ng Enforcement and Investor Protection Department or EIPD na Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. At pwede nyo rin po silang tawagan sa kanilang telephone number na 8818-6047 o pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang kanilang opisina sa Commission's Enforcement and Investor Protection Department located at the 9th floor, the SEC Headquarters, 7907 Makati Avenue, Salcedo Village, Barangay Bel Air, Makati City. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong September 4, 2023. So mga kababayan, wag na po kayo mag-invest dyan sa SERP Worldwide at kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na dyan, ipakita nyo po yung SEC advisory at humingi na po kayo na refund at mag-withdraw na po kayo. At para doon sa mga defenders ng SERP Worldwide, kahit na ano pang gawin yung comment o pananakot dito, syempre wala pong epekto yan. Kung gusto nyo sagutin yung nakapaloob doon sa SEC advisory, ay pumunta na kayo mismo sa SEC at doon kayo mag-file ng complaint o ng sagot ninyo. So, para doon sa mga members, tanungin nyo na po yung mga officers dyan kung ano ang sagot nila doon sa SEC advisory at ano ba ang mahakbang nila lalo na ngayong na-issue ng SEC advisory yang SERP Worldwide. Mga kababayan, lagi nga po namin pinapaalala na bago po kayo mag-invest sa kahit na anong kumpanya, dapat po siguraduhin ninyo na merong secondary license yung pag-i-investan ninyo. At kapag may pinakita secondary license, dapat po i-verify ninyo. Kasi meron pong mga kumpanya dyan na namemeke ng dokumento katulad po ng CCO Media Philippines na nabuking natin na peke yung pinapakita nilang BSP registration daw nila. So mag-verify po kayo sa SEC kung yung kumpanya ba na pag-iinvestan ninyo ay may secondary license o wala. At lagi nyo rin pong i-check yung website ng SEC kasi naglalabas po sila dyan ng mga advisories para po makaiwas kayo sa mga nagkalat dyan na mga Ponzi schemes at mga pyramiding schemes. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.